Hello, economic enthusiasts. Welcome back to Live Economic News, your go-to source for real-time updates on the dynamic world of finance. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of the Southern Hemisphere to explore the economic landscape of the land down under, Australia. But before we jump into this critical discussion, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. Australia, with its sunburnt landscapes and iconic wildlife, stands as a testament to economic resilience and prosperity. Nicknamed the Lucky Country, this moniker captures the nation's three-decade streak of avoiding serious recessions while consistently ranking among the wealthiest households globally. However, as economists wield the term with a hint of irony, it prompts a closer inspection of the Australian economic model, questioning whether it truly embodies the characteristics of an advanced economy or if its success is merely a stroke of luck. The concept of an advanced economy lacks a precise definition, but generally encompasses attributes such as high per capita income, extensive industrialization, a diversified export base, and integration with the global financial system, as suggested by the International Monetary Fund. In Australia's case, a cursory examination reveals strengths in per capita income and a robust financial system. Yet, a nuanced analysis of the nation's export portfolio unveils vulnerabilities. Australia's economic prowess, often rooted in its rich natural resources, is underscored by the fact that nearly two-thirds of its exports are comprised of resources, with an additional 18% coming from the education and tourism sectors. While these sectors may seem intangible, they play a pivotal role in contributing to the nation's balance of trade. However, the outbreak of the coronavirus pandemic has starkly demonstrated the fragility of these seemingly boundless export categories. A deeper dive into the ramifications of Australia's heavy reliance on resource exports reveals a susceptibility to global market fluctuations. The concentration on a single export class, while reaping rewards from soaring commodity prices, exposes the economy to the unpredictable undulations of international markets. This poses challenges, not only in terms of currency volatility, but also foreign exchange risks for Australian companies engaged in global business and a deterrent for foreign investors considering involvement in the Australian economic landscape. The issue of foreign direct investment, FDI, takes center stage, particularly in sectors like mining, prompting concerns about the equitable distribution of wealth within the nation. Australia's tax landscape, characterized by the practice of negative gearing in real estate, further skews the economic playing field in favor of property investment. While this approach may yield benefits for the wealthy, it exacerbates wealth disparities and limits housing affordability for the broader population. Australia, despite these challenges, occupies a significant economic position globally, ranking as the 13th largest economy. However, an industry landscape lacking diversification and a diminishing domestic manufacturing sector contribute to a less than stellar industry rating. The nuanced economic portrait of Australia yields an overall score of 6.6 out of 10, reflecting a mix of successes and challenges that shape its economic narrative. Australia's economic trajectory is a complex interplay of strategic decisions, circumstantial advantages, and effective governance. As the nation grapples with export diversification, finite resources, and wealth distribution challenges, the question of whether its luck will persist remains open-ended. The resilience displayed thus far may be a testament to Australia's adaptability, but the future trajectory hinges on navigating the intricate economic landscape with foresight and strategic acumen. In exploring the intricacies of the Australian economy, it's crucial to acknowledge the historical and cultural context that has shaped its economic policies and priorities. The nation's unique geography, characterized by a vast landmass with no immediate neighboring countries, has influenced its economic strategies. Additionally, Australia's adoption of a robust democratic framework from the United Kingdom, rooted in its colonial history as a haven for convicts, has played a role in shaping its governance structures. The economic success of Australia, often dubbed as luck, can be attributed to a combination of factors. The abundance of natural resources, including minerals and agricultural products, has fueled its export-driven economy. The stability of its financial system, coupled with a relatively high level of per capita income, has contributed to the nation's economic prosperity. The Australian dollar's widespread acceptance and stability further bolster its position in the global economy. However, the reliance on resource exports poses challenges, as evident in the fluctuating prices of commodities like iron ore. The volatility in these markets exposes Australian companies to foreign exchange risks, affecting their competitiveness on the global stage. Moreover, the lack of export diversification raises concerns about the sustainability of Australia's economic model in the long run. The impact of the coronavirus pandemic has magnified these challenges, particularly in the education and tourism sectors, which have traditionally been significant contributors to Australia's export revenue. The abrupt disruption in international travel and the decline in foreign students have highlighted the vulnerability of these sectors, challenging the notion of their endless renewability. Australia's tax policies, particularly the practice of negative gearing in real estate, have shaped its domestic investment landscape. While this strategy incentivizes property investment, it has also contributed to soaring housing prices, making homeownership less attainable for many Australians. The implications of this approach extend to wealth distribution, with the benefits of property investment primarily accruing to the affluent. The issue of foreign direct investment, FDI, raises questions about the control and ownership of critical assets within Australia. While FDI is essential for economic growth, concerns arise when foreign entities gain significant influence in strategic sectors. High-profile examples, such as the acquisition of a vital trade port in Darwin by a Chinese corporation, have sparked debates about national interests and economic sovereignty. Australia's economic landscape also grapples with the challenge of retaining innovative breakthroughs. Despite contributing significantly to technology, from hearing implants to battery storage, the country has struggled to retain the benefits of these innovations. Large and innovative tech companies often establish operations overseas, limiting the growth of Australia's domestic industrial sector. The taxation system, with its peculiarities like negative gearing, plays a pivotal role in shaping investment decisions. The focus on property investment, driven by tax incentives, has created a real estate market that, while profitable for investors, poses challenges for aspiring homeowners. The dynamics of property investment, coupled with foreign investors seeking a safe haven for their capital, have contributed to soaring property prices in major cities. Australia's economic performance, when evaluated against the criteria of an advanced economy, reveals both strengths and weaknesses. The nation's high GDP and per capita income underscore its economic prowess, while stability in the financial sector adds another layer of credibility. However, the lack of export diversification, a diminishing industrial sector, and challenges in wealth distribution signal areas for improvement. In the realm of industry, Australia faces the uphill task of revitalizing its domestic manufacturing capabilities. The decline in this sector, coupled with the loss of innovative breakthroughs to foreign entities, highlights the need for strategic investments in research and development. Nurturing a robust industrial sector can contribute not only to economic diversification, but also to job creation and technological advancements. Australia's journey toward economic sustainability requires a delicate balance between leveraging its natural resources and fostering a diverse and resilient economy. Addressing the challenges posed by an over-reliance on resource exports, coupled with strategic initiatives to promote innovation and industry diversification, will be crucial for ensuring long-term economic stability. What are your thoughts on the current state of the Australian economy? How do you see recent trends and developments shaping its future, and what potential impacts might they have on both a national and global scale? Share your insights in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective. Thank you for tuning in to Live Economic News. If you found today's exploration of the Australian economy as intriguing as we did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more real-time updates, and ring the notification bell to stay ahead of the economic curve.